Hi guys, if you want to know what's happening in the world of cryptocurrencies right now, you are in the right place. I'm going to list everything that happened during those last 7 days that you need to take away, plus what's happening next week that you can profit from to make money. So, interested? Let's get into it. If it's your first time here, I'm Max, and at Crypto School we are master students in computer science and investors in cryptocurrencies. And our purpose is to teach you all about them in an easy to understand way. So if you're interested, consider subscribing. Ripple has recently partnered with 5 different companies to use XVIA, and those companies are FairFX, Rational FX and Exchange for Free from the UK, Money Match from Malaysia, and UniPay from the Republic of Georgia. And all of them are payment providers. The purpose of XVIA is to build a platform which enables banks and payment providers and companies to establish connection in between them very easily, which is actually really hard right now. So it's great news for Ripple since they are expanding their platform, which gets them closer to their goal. Yesterday, TRON updated their 2018 roadmap, and it's pretty good actually. We have a new network capacity of 10,000 transactions per second, which is huge. It's like 7 times more than Ripple XRP. Transaction fees reduced to 0, so no more fees. And we have the token wallet, which is going to be released. If you want to check out all the features included, we'll have the link in the description. Also, they explain the migration of the TRX tokens, the TRON tokens, because they're going to switch from the ETHEREUM blockchain, which they are based on right now, to their own blockchain. So they're going to create their own blockchain to be independent. So that's probably why the price of TRON exploded today, and may continue to do so. We hope so, definitely. We've got one more robbery this week. MYETHERWALLET has been stolen $150K. If you want to know more about the details, I have the link in the description. The cryptocurrency exchange GEMINI is partnering with the Nasdaq, and the purpose is to use Nasdaq surveillance system to control the price manipulation and other illicit activities. So it's aimed to maintain a fair market, which is definitely a good point. If you're registered and you've got money on the BTCXCHANGE platform, well, you should withdraw that money as soon as possible, because on the 1st of May they will shut down. And so if you don't withdraw your money, it's lost. For my French peers out there, the tax for cryptocurrency has been reduced from 62% to about 37%. That's because they're now considering it not like an industrial and commercial profit, but a movable property. That's something I waited a while for. An independent financial consulting company called DEVERE has predicted that Ethereum would reach $2,500 by the end of the year. It would have a significant rise thanks to the growing community and the growing use of the Ethereum blockchain, but also the smart contracts. It's actually not that much of a rise if you compare it to many other predictions for other cryptocurrencies. I think it's really not going to be the fastest growing cryptocurrency this year. Take a look at EOS, for example. Now let's see what's coming next, which is the most interesting part, since you can actually take profit from it. There's an IOTA snapshot today, Sunday 29. So don't panic if you have 0 IOTA on your account. That's perfectly normal. They are cleaning their systems to start fresh. If you don't know what I'm talking about here, that's normal. I have 2 links in the description, but watch out, they're pretty technical. Tomorrow, Cardano will launch their GOGUEN testnet. And the purpose of that is to have feedback from developers about their virtual machine and their smart contracts. It will also allow developers to familiarize themselves with the smart contracts, Cardano smart contracts. Gathering all this feedback will allow Cardano to improve their systems and fix issues at early stage, and therefore saving a lot of time on the long run. There will also be a Binance and DIGIPULSE coin burn. So if you want to make money, well, that's probably a good idea. In terms of prices now, it has been a great week. Bitcoin is now standing at 9,300. It's only a 4% increase over the week. It looks like other cryptocurrencies are getting detached from Bitcoin, and that's great news too. Ethereum is now at $682, it's a 10% increase. Ripple lost 5%, it's now at 85 cents. Litecoin is steady, $150. IOTA lost 5%, it's now at $2. And now comes the interesting part. Cardano is at 35 cents. It's a 20% increase. That probably comes from the news of their testnet launch I told you about. TRON stands at 8 cents and it's a 60% increase. 60%. And even better, EOS is at right above $20 and it's a 76% increase. Yeah, you heard me. So that's it for this weekly report. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you forgot major events you'd like to hear of, tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to follow our weekly report series each week. And if you don't want to, at least click the like button below, which really helps us out improving and motivates us. And then I'll see you, as usual, in the next one.